caller on our President, Mrs. Ashwini Krishna. Ashwini will now call the meeting to order.
ಇದೀಗ ದೇವರನ್ನು ಸ್ಮರಿಸುವ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಮನೋರಮಾ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಇನ್ನಿರವಿಲ್ ಆಶೋತ್ತರಗಳನ್ನು ಬಿಂಬಿಸುವ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆಯನ್ನು ಪ್ರಭಾ ದೀಪಕ್ ಇವರಿಂದ ನಡೆಯಲಿದೆ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಎದ್ದು ನಿಂತು ಸಹಕರಿಸಬೇಕಾಗಿ ವಿನಂತಿ.
अभीष्टवरद श्री महागणपति अभीष्टवरद श्री महागणपति आगम वेदाद्यन्तरहित पदे अभीष्टवरद श्री महागणपते कवीन्द्र रवि विनुत कनकमयन दिव्य चरण कमल मुन नम्नीति अभीष्ट वरद श्री महागणपते मुक्ति मार्ग मुन कुमोदटि दैव मुन शक्ति सुमुखतो భక్తుల వారికి ముక్తి మార్గ మునకు మొదటి మైనమున శక్తి సుముఖతో భక్తుల వారికి సిద్ధి బుద్ధి వర ఫలముల సంగీత సద్గురు శ్రీ త్యాగరాజుని పొగడిన సద్గురు శ్రీ త్యాగ రాజు పొగడిన భీష్ట వరద శ్రీ మహాగణపతే ఆగమ వేదాద్యంతరహిత పదే అభీష్ట వరద శ్రీ మహాగణపతే శ్రీ మహాగణపతే
in us, O Lord, the true meaning of friendship. Never let us forget that we are all thy children. Notwithstanding the difference in our culture and creeds, endow us with a desire to serve our fellow men. Remembering that we too often need help, whenever or wherever the need for service arises, help us to be ready to serve, endeavoring to make our badge of inner will worthwhile, ensuring that we have not lived in vain.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಶುಭ ಮುಂಜಾನೆ. Celebrating 50 years of service is celebrating a lifetime of invaluable contribution and unwavering dedications. ಪುತ್ತೂರು ಇನ್ನರ್ವಿಲ್ ಕ್ಲಬ್ನ ಸುವರ್ಣ ವರ್ಷದ ಸುವರ್ಣ ಉದ್ಯಮಿ ಬೆಡಗಿ ರಾಜೇಶ್ವರಿ ಆಚಾರ್ ಇವರ ಪದಗ್ರಹಣ ಸಮಾರಂಭಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇರಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಇಂದಿನ ಪದಗ್ರಹಣ ಸಮಾರಂಭಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅತಿಥಿಯಾಗಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಪದಪ್ರದಾನವನ್ನು ನೆರವೇರಿಸಿಕೊಡಲು ನಮ್ಮೊಂದಿಗೆ ಇನ್ನರ್ವಿಲ್ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಮೂಡಬಿದ್ರೆ ಇದರ ಚಾರ್ಟರ್ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಆ ಕ್ಲಬ್ಬಿನ ಪ್ರಪ್ರಥಮ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಚೇರ್ಮನ್ ಪದವಿಯನ್ನು 2008-9ರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲಂಕರಿಸಿದ ಸಕಲ ಕಲಾವಲ್ಲಭೆ PDC ಮಿಸಸ್ ಶಾಲಿನಿ ನಾಯಕ್ ಇವರಿಗೆ ಇನ್ನರ್ವಿಲ್ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಪುತ್ತೂರಿನ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಹೃತ್ಪೂರ್ವಕ ಸ್ವಾಗತವನ್ನು ಬಯಸುತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಮೇಡಮ್, ನಿಮಗೆ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತವನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಇನ್ನರ್ವಿಲ್ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಇದರ ಮಾತೃ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಾದ ರೋಟರಿ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಪುತ್ತೂರು ಇದರ ನಿಯೋಜಿತ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾದ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಶ್ರೀಪತಿ ರಾವ್ ಇವರು ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಇವರಿಗೂ ಹೃತ್ಪೂರ್ವಕ ಸ್ವಾಗತವನ್ನು ಬಯಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಅವರಿಗೆ ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾಗೌರಿ ಅವರು ಹೂವನ್ನು ನೀಡಿ ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸಬೇಕಾಗಿ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಇನ್ನರ್ವಿಲ್ ಮೂಡಬಿದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಲಬ್ಬಿಂದ ಅಲ್ಲಿಯ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರುವ ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಪ್ರಕಾಶಿನಿ ಬೆನ್ನೆಲುಬಾಗಿ ರೋಟರಿ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಪುತ್ತೂರು ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರು ಪದಾಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳು ಸದಾ ನಮಗೆ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹ ನೀಡುತ್ತಾ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಮ್ಮೊಂದಿಗೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಪುತ್ತೂರು ಕ್ಲಬ್ನ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾದ ಜಯರಾಜ್ ಭಂಡಾರಿ ಹಾಗೂ ರೊಟೇರಿಯನ್ ಜಾನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿನ, ರೊಟೇರಿಯನ್ ರಾಮಕೃಷ್ಣ ಹಾಗೂ ರೊಟೇರಿಯನ್ ದಾಮೋದರ್ ಹಾಗೂ ರೊಟೇರಿಯನ್ ಪ್ರೀತಾ ಹೆಗ್ಡೆ ಇವರು ಆಗಮಿಸಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಪ್ರೀತಿಪೂರ್ವಕ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ರೊಟೇರಿಯನ್ ಆಸ್ಕರ್ ಆನಂದ್ ಸರ್ ಹಾಗೂ ರೊಟೇರಿಯನ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ MS ಭಟ್ ಇವರು ನಮ್ಮೊಂದಿಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇವರಿಗೂ ಪ್ರೀತಿಪೂರ್ವಕ ಸ್ವಾಗತವನ್ನು ಬಯಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. Friendship is a golden thread that ties all of us together. ಇನ್ನರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಧ್ಯೇಯ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಶಿಪ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್. ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಸದಸ್ಯರಾಗಿದ್ದು ವಿ ಆರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಬೆಟರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗರ್ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಸದಸ್ಯರಿಂದ ಸಾಧ್ಯವಾಗಿದೆ. 50ನೇ ವರ್ಷ ಸಂಭ್ರಮಾಚರಣೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಇವತ್ತು ಗೋಲ್ಡನ್ ಗರ್ಲ್ಸ್ ಈ ಪದಗ್ರಹಣ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಮಿಸಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಹೃತ್ಪೂರ್ವಕ ಸ್ವಾಗತವನ್ನು ಬಯಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಪದಪ್ರದಾನ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮದವರು ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ನಿಮಗೂ ಪ್ರೀತಿಪೂರ್ವಕ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೆರೆದಿರುವ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಹ್ವಾನಿತರೇ, ಬಂಧುಗಳೇ, ಶುಭಚಿಂತಕರೇ, ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ ಬಯಸುತ್ತಾ ಅವಕಾಶಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय. ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. ಇದೀಗ ವೇದಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಚಿತ್ರಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ನಿಲ್ಲಬೇಕಾಗಿ ವಿನಂತಿ.
Thank you, PTC Shalini, for doing the honors. May the light of inner wheel glow brighter by the day, bringing light and shine into many more lives and homes. A warm welcome to Rotarian Sridhar and Rotarian Rafiq. Welcome, sir. I now request our incoming secretary, Mrs. Vachana Jairam, to read the messages received by our club.
A very good morning to you, ladies and gentlemen. On this joyous occasion, while most of our esteemed invitees have graced the occasion, graced the installation ceremony to be part of this, some of them could not be here due to various reasons. However, they have sent their best wishes and congratulations to our soon-to-be new president, Mrs. Rajeshwari Achar, and the office bearers of 24-25. First, we have warm wishes from our district chairman, Mrs. Vaishali Kurwa, district secretary, Mrs. Rajni Bhatt, and district VP, Mrs. Shabri Kardal, district treasurer, Mrs. Umar Mahesh, and district editor, Mrs. Anita Suresh. In the interest of time, I'll quickly call out the names of the clubs who have sent us their best wishes from the Inner Wheel clubs of Nanjangudu, Mysore Southeast, Kota Saligrama, Arsikere, Sulya, Balehonnur, Madikeri, Hassan Gold, Somapet, Hanbal, Mysore North, Hunsur, Kadur, Mysore Midtown, and Kinnigoli. The members of 24-25 team is grateful for all the messages received. Thank you all for your warm wishes.
ಇದೀಗ ಇಡೀ ವರುಷದ ಜನಮನ ಮುಟ್ಟಿದ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗೆ ಸಂತೃಪ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ತಂದುಕೊಟ್ಟ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳ ವರದಿಗಾಗಿ ವೇದಿಕೆ
ಸದಾ ವಿನಯ, ಕಾರ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಸಕ್ತಿ, ಸ್ನೇಹಮಯಿ ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿ ಶ್ರೀದೇವಿ ಇವರಿಗೆ.
Morning everyone. I'm delighted to present before you the annual report of 2023-24. This report tries to elaborate our concentrated efforts and accomplishments across a diverse range of initiatives aimed at community empowerment and development. Each project undertaken reflects our commitment to addressing critical needs through innovative and sustainable solutions. So this year, we had received a national theme from the association named Trailblazer. The report details various projects undertaken within a year, focusing on the theme, financial outlay and the number of beneficiaries. I am proud to let everyone know that us, a club with only 60 members, have successfully completed 93 projects by sponsoring a total of 9.3 lakhs and touching lives of close to 1 lakh beneficiaries. This definitely calls for a huge round of applause. Trailblazer is nothing but the abbreviation of the following categories. T stands for Tech Empowerment. Under this comes e-meetings, online workshops, training sessions, digital document for COV, etc. And we have completed 5 projects. Under R, Rising Strong, under this we have provided health benefits, celebrated and honored successful women in different fields. 15 projects were undertaken under this, and we conducted a seminar on oral hygiene for 200 municipality workers and distributed eco-friendly sanitary napkins. On occasion of Teachers' Day, we felicitated our club teachers and retired government school teachers around Puttur. Next is Adopt and Build. In this category, we assisted in healthcare, support mental health through yoga, arrange travel and trips, and total 10 projects were undertaken this category. Next is IILM, that is Happy School. In this we have donated 8 wash basins to Kumbra Public School, 1 water filter to physically disabled government school, 2 cycle to Kakkur Government School girls. Next is Launchpad, and under this comes mega campaign, better understanding of mental health, help to transgenders, initiatives engaging boys and girls to support gender equality, and 10 projects were taken in this category. Next is Build Brand Identity. The main project under this category was we constructed an ultra-modern bus stand with changing facility and drinking water facility that was worth rupees 2 lakhs. And also 20 other projects were undertaken. Next, Lead the Youth. That is, create scholarships and sponsorships for advanced study and learning. So 5 projects were undertaken, and the main among it was we sponsored 76,000 for 5 financially backward students to pursue their education, and our members have wholeheartedly contributed for this noble cause. Next is Adopt a Mission. In this category, we have donated necessary learning equipments, benches, water filters to various government schools and special schools. And 6 projects were undertaken. Next, Zest for Zero Waste. In this, Go Green, government project Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, waste managed solar energy. In this category, we have taken 4 projects. In this, we have purchased a plastic crushing machine to prepare bricks and make utilization of collected waste, plastic waste at dumping yard. Next is Empowerment of Rich Girls and Enrich Nation, which includes exclusive project on health checkups and awareness of health and hygiene, training in self-defense, scholarships were given to the talented students. Next is Rights to Responsibility. In this, we were able to rise as true Innoville members by participating actively in various competitions organized by the district committee and the club. We also have conducted many workshops, camps and competitions to build brand identity of Innoville. And one of the major project was also, along with Nagar Sabha, we have initiated cleaning dumping yard and produce gas and make dumping yard a waste-free area, and this is a 6 years long project. That's all for this year in short. And also I want to extend my heartfelt gratitude to each and every member of our club who have wholeheartedly contributed for all the projects held and have supported in whatever way they can. Thank you very much, each and every member of my club. Last but not the least, I wish Mrs. Rajeshwari Achar and her team all the very best for a successful Golden Jubilee year. Thank you.
Thank you, Sri Devi, for compiling and presenting the report of activities of our club during the past year. I know you have fine-tuned it to save on precious time. Thank you. Congratulations, Ashwini and team, for a job well done. We have here with us Senior Rotarian K.R. Shenoy. A warm welcome to the program, sir. We also have Rotarian Navya and Rotarian Lavanya. A warm welcome, ma'am.
ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅತಿಥಿಗಳಾದ PDC ಶಾಲಿನಿ ನಾಯ್ಕ್, ವೇದಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿರುವ ನನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಲ್ಮೆಯ ಮಿತ್ರರೇ ಹಾಗೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿರುವ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂಧುಗಳೇ ಹಾಗೂ ನನ್ನ ಇನ್ನರ್ ವೀಲ್ ಸದಸ್ಯರೇ, ಗೆಳೆತನ ಎಂಬುದು ಒಂದು ಬೆಳಗುವ ಬೆಳಕು. 2023-24ರ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಇನ್ನರ್ ವೀಲ್ ಥೀಮ್ ಶೈನ್ ಅ ಲೈಟ್. ರಿಶ್ ಡಾಗ್ಲಸ್ ಅವರು ಈ ಇನ್ನರ್ ವೀಲ್ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ವಿಶ್ವಾದ್ಯಂತ ಸ್ಥಾಪಿತವಾಗಿ 100 ವರ್ಷ ಪೂರೈಸಿದ ಸಂಭ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಶೈನ್ ಅ ಲೈಟ್ ಎಂಬ ಥೀಮನ್ನು ನೀಡಿ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಿಗೆ ವರ್ಕ್ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಸ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅ ಬೆಟರ್ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಜನರೇಷನ್ ವಿತ್ ಮೆಂಟಲ್ ವೆಲ್ನೆಸ್ ಎಂಬ ಧ್ಯೇಯವನ್ನು ನೀಡಿದ್ದರು. ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರುವ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಗುಗ್ನಾನಿ ಇವರು ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಗೋಲ್ ಟ್ರೇಲ್ ಬ್ಲೇಸರ್ ಕೂಡ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಪೂರಕವಾಗಿದ್ದು ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷೆಯಾಗಿ ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲ ಸದಸ್ಯರ ಸಹಕಾರದಿಂದ ಪೂರೈಸಿದ ಸಂತೋಷ ನನಗಿದೆ. ಪುತ್ತೂರು ಕ್ಲಬ್ನ ಸೆಂಟೆನಲ್ ಇಯರ್ಗೆ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷೆಯಾಗಿ ಇವತ್ತಿಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಅವಧಿ ಮುಗಿಯಿತು. ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನನ್ನ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿಯನ್ನು ರಾಜೇಶ್ವರಿಗೆ ಹಸ್ತಾಂತರ ಮಾಡಲು. ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷೆ ಸ್ಥಾನ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿಯುತವಾಗಿರುವ ಹುದ್ದೆಯಾಗಿದ್ದರೂ ನನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲಬ್ನ ಸದಸ್ಯರು ತಮ್ಮ ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣ ಸಹಕಾರ ಈ ವರ್ಷ ನನಗೆ ನೀಡಿ ಸುಸೂತ್ರವಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಯೋಜನೆಗಳು ಹಾಗೂ ಸಾಮಾಜಿಕ ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡಲು ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ವೆನ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈಡ್ ಬೈ ಮಿಲಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ದ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್. ರೋಟರಿಯ ಅಂಗಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಾಗಿ ಮಾರ್ಗರೆಟ್ ಗೋಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಇವರು 1924ರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಹಿಳೆಯರಿಗಾಗಿಯೇ ಹುಟ್ಟುಹಾಕಿದ ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ವಿಶ್ವಾದ್ಯಂತ 4000 ಕ್ಲಬ್ಗಳಿಂದಲೂ ಅಧಿಕ ಕ್ಲಬ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿದೆ. ಲಾರ್ಜೆಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಮೆನ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ವಾಲಂಟರಿ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ ಎಂಬ ಹೆಗ್ಗಳಿಕೆಯು ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಿದೆ. ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ 318ರಲ್ಲಿ 53 ಕ್ಲಬ್ಗಳಿದ್ದು ಸುಮಾರು 1900ರಿಂದ ಅಧಿಕ ಸದಸ್ಯರ ಮುಂದಾಳತ್ವದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಸೇವೆಯನ್ನು ನಾವು ಸಮಾಜಕ್ಕೆ ನೀಡುತ್ತಾ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಈ ಅವಕಾಶ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟ ಪುತ್ತೂರು ಇನ್ನರ್ ವೀಲ್ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಸದಸ್ಯರಿಗೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪೂರ್ವಾಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರುಗಳಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಈ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬು ಹೃದಯದ ಕೃತಜ್ಞತೆಯನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸುತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಅದರೊಂದಿಗೆ ಪುತ್ತೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ 8 ರೋಟರಿ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳು ಇವೆ. ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ ರೋಟರಿ ಸಹೋದರರು ನನ್ನ ಅವಧಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಬೆಂಬಲ ನೀವು ನೀಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನನ್ನ ಮನದಾಳದ ಕೃತಜ್ಞತೆಗಳು. ರೋಟರಿ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷೆಯಾಗಿ ಅನುಭವವಿರುವ ರೊಟೇರಿಯನ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಇನ್ನರ್ ವೀಲ್ ಸದಸ್ಯೆ ರಾಜೇಶ್ವರಿ ಆಚಾರ್ ಮುಂದಿನ ಮುಂದಾಳತ್ವವನ್ನು ಸ್ವೀಕರಿಸಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸುವರ್ಣ ಮಹೋತ್ಸವದ ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಲಬ್ಬಿನ ಸುವರ್ಣ ಮಹೋತ್ಸವದ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷೆಯಾಗಿ ಅವರು ಹೊರಹೊಮ್ಮಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಂಡಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಶಸ್ ಶುಭ ಹಾರೈಕೆಗಳನ್ನು ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ತಿಳಿಸುತ್ತಾ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ನೇಹದ ನಂಟನ್ನು ಇನ್ನಷ್ಟು ಗಟ್ಟಿಯಾಗಿಸೋಣ ಎಂದು ಆಶಿಸುತ್ತಾ ವಿರಮಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಅವಕಾಶಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
ಹಿಡಿದ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣ ಮಾಡದೆ ಛಲಬಿಡದ ಛಲಗಾತಿ, ಚತುರೆ, ಹೊಸ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳ ಸಂಯೋಜಕಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಹೊಸತನದೊಂದಿಗೆ ಲವಲವಿಕೆಯಿಂದ ಈ ವರ್ಷ ರೋಟರಿ ಯುವದ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷತೆಯನ್ನು ವಹಿಸಲಿರುವ ಅಶ್ವಿನಿ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಇವರಿಗೆ ವಂದನೆಗಳು. ಇದೀಗ ಒಂದು ಹೊಸತಾದ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ, ಸಣ್ಣ ರಸಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ. ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 7259946339. ಇನ್ನೊಮ್ಮೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, 7259946339. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಹೀಗಿದೆ, ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾರ್ದು ಮೊದಲು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಬಹುಮಾನ. ಇನ್ನರ್ ವೀಲ್ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭವಾದ ಇಸವಿ ತಿಂಗಳು ತಾರೀಕು ತಿಳಿಸಿ. ಇನ್ನರ್ ವೀಲ್ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭವಾದ ಇಸವಿ ತಿಂಗಳು ತಾರೀಕು ತಿಳಿಸಿ. ಎರಡನೇ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ.
We now have our new team led by Mrs. Rajeshwari Achar, who who take over as the president of the Innerville Club of Puttur for the Innerville year 2024-25. As they come down the aisle, here are a few interesting facts about the Innerville Club of Puttur. Innerville Club was started on 26 November 1974 with 12 charter members, past President Srimati Pushpa KP being one of them. Our charter number is 1900, which was presented on the 26th February 1975. Today, the strength of our club stands at 62 and comes under the large club category. We meet once a month, mostly on the second Tuesday of each month. The meetings are full of josh, color and fun and promotes friendship amongst us. True to our motto, we greet members of their birthdays and wedding anniversaries and plan simple games to make the meetings more interesting and livelier. And now about Rajeshwari Achar.
Rajeshwari Achar is a graduate from Vivekananda College, Puttur. She joined Innerville Club in 2014 and actively involved in many humanitarian programs. She has done an excellent work as a secretary in 2021-22. She was instrumental in releasing the history book of our club in that year. She joined Rotary Club Puttur Yuva in 2018. After serving various posts, she became the club president in 2022-23. She was the first lady president of Rotary Yuva also. She has done her junior in Bharatanatyam and violin. She is also a good badminton player and participated in many events and won prizes. Cooking and gardening are her favorite hobbies. Married to Rotarian Sudhir Achar, Ashok Jewellers, Puttur. They are blessed with 2 children, Ridhima and Rahi. Rajeshwari Achar.
Congratulations, Rajeshwari. Secretary Vachana Jairam. All good things come in small packages is an adage that suits Vachana just right. Born to Sri C.P. Jairam and Srimati Chandrakala, Vachana was born and brought up at Puttur and did her early education here. She then graduated with a BA degree from NITTE and an MBA from Symbiosis. Having worked at Bangalore for 18 years, she has now come back to Puttur to her roots and is now looking after their estate at Charvaka. She is on the advisory board of many educational institutions and is the managing director of the new startup Adiva Lifestyle, which produces and markets perfumed candles and other exotic products of home decor. She is married to Rotarian Pradeep Ramkrishna Gowda and is the proud mother of Yudhishthir. Ladies and gentlemen, that is a smart and endearing secretary for Innerville District 2024-25, whose sense of humor is so appealing that she will no doubt make a charming and efficient secretary this year.
ಆಶಾ ನಾಯಕ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ವರ್ಷದ ಖಜಾಂಚಿ. ಜನಮನ ಗೆದ್ದ ನಾಯಕ್ಸ್ ಕಿಚನ್ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನೆಲ್ ಹೊಂದಿದ್ದು ಬೊಂಬಾಟ್ ಭೋಜನ ಹಾಗೂ ಡೈಜಿ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಅಡುಗೆ ಸ್ಪರ್ಧೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಫೈನಲ್ ಹಂತಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತಾರೆ. ನರಿಮೊಗರು ಗ್ರಾಮದ ಉತ್ತಮ ಜಲಿನ ಶಾಂತಾರಾಮ್ ನಾಯಕ್ ಅವರನ್ನು ಮದುವೆಯಾಗಿ 2 ಹುಡುಗಿಯರು ಮುದ್ದಿನ ಅಮ್ಮ ಆಶಾ ನಾಯಕ್.
Next is our bulletin editor, Srimati Sridevi Rai. Sridevi is an entrepreneur and is the heart and soul of Adiva, a startup launched recently by 3 of our dynamic members, which manufactures exotic scented candles and other produce for home decor. Born on the 1st of June, Sridevi did her earlier schooling at St. Victor's and graduated from St. Philomena's. She did her B.Ed from Vivekananda and her MBA in English from Mysore University. She then took up the noble profession as a teacher at various institutions such as Vivekananda, Bethany and Ambika. Now she is a happy homemaker and does what she loves best: gardening, baking, traveling and learning different forms of art. She is married to businessman Sajit Kumar Rai and is the mother of 2 beautiful daughters, Sanvi and Sachi. Ladies and gentlemen, that is Sridevi Rai, gentle and elegant, our bulletin editor for the Innerville year 2024-25.
ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ರೆಟರಿ ವೇದ. ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು, ಬೆಳೆದದ್ದು, ಓದಿದ್ದು ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣವಾಗಿ ಮೈಸೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ. ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ ಪದವಿ ಹೊಂದಿದ್ದು ಪುತ್ತೂರಿನ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀಕಾಂತ್ ಆಚಾರ್ಯ ಅವರನ್ನು ವಿವಾಹವಾಗಿ ಅರುಂಧತಿ ಶ್ರೀರಾಮ್ ಎಂಬ ಇಬ್ಬರು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. GL ಆಚಾರ್ಯ ಜುವೆಲ್ಲರ್ ಇದರ ಮೀಡಿಯಾ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೋಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ವೇದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀಕಾಂತ್.
Next is our Vice President, Mrs. Sudha Karyappa. Sudha Karyappa, as the surname signifies, has the valiant Kodava blood running through her veins. Sudha did her Masters in Literature from the Mysore University. Married to ACF CRZ Environment Shri V.R. Karyappa, Sudha is presently a homemaker. Her daughter Kirti is doing a MS in Computer Science in the US, and son Ronit is studying BE second year at NITE. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for our Vice President, the diligent Srimati Sudha Karyappa.
ಲವ್ಲಿ ಸೂರಜ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ವರ್ಷದ ISO. ಕಣ್ಣೂರು ಕೇರಳದಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ ಇವರು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಥಮಿಕ ವಿದ್ಯಾಭ್ಯಾಸ, ತದನಂತರ ತಿರುವನಂತಪುರದಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾ ಪದವಿಯನ್ನು ಪಡೆದು ಸದಾ ಹಸನ್ಮುಖಿ, ತನ್ನ ಕಾರ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಶ್ರದ್ಧೆ ಆಸಕ್ತಿ ಇರುವ ಇವರು ಸೂರಜ್ ನಾಯರ್ ಅವರನ್ನು ವಿವಾಹವಾಗಿ ಶ್ರೀ ಈಶಾನ್ ಕುಮಾರಿ ಇಶಿತಾ ಇಬ್ಬರು ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನು ಪಡೆದಿರುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಈಶಾನ್ ಇದೀಗ ಮಣಿಪಾಲ್ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ಕಿಟೆಕ್ಚರ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ ಮುಗಿಸಿದ್ದು ಮಗಳು ಫಸ್ಟ್ PUC ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಲವ್ಲಿ ಸೂರಜ್.
Ashwini Krishnamulia. Ashwini, who just finished a successful year as president of our club, is an engineer and was awarded by the district for completing 93 projects with her at the helm. She now takes on the post of IPP, that is immediate past president.
ಇದೀಗ ವೇದಿಕೆಗೆ ಗೌರವಾನ್ವಿತ ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕರಾಗಿ ಆಯ್ಕೆಗೊಂಡವರು ಬರಬೇಕಾಗಿ ವಿನಂತಿ. ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಪ್ರಮೀಳಾ ರಾವ್, ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಸುಷ್ಮಾ ಜೈನ್, ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಲಲಿತಾ ಭಟ್, ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಸೆನೋರಿಟಾ ಆನಂದ್, ಸೀಮಾ ನಾಗರಾಜ್ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ವೇದಿಕೆಗೆ ಬಂದು ಒಂದು ಹೂವನ್ನು ಪಡೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕಾಗಿ ವಿನಂತಿ. ಹಿಂದಿನ ಸಾಲಿನ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾಗಿರುವ ಟೈನಿ ದೀಪಕ್ ಅವರನ್ನ ಮೊದಲಿನ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರುಗಳು ಬರಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕಾಗಿ ವಿನಂತಿ.
ಸ್ವರ್ಣ ಮಹೋತ್ಸವವನ್ನು ಆಚರಿಸುತ್ತಿರುವ ಈ ಸುಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನ ಮೇಲೆ ವಿಶ್ವಾಸವಿಟ್ಟು ಕ್ಲಬ್ಬನ್ನು ಮುನ್ನಡೆಸುವ ಸುವರ್ಣ ಅವಕಾಶವನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟ ನನ್ನ ಕ್ಲಬ್ಬಿಗೆ ಅಂತರಾಳದ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. A good leader should be such that when the team succeeds, he should be the last person to take the credit. But when the team fails, he should be the first person to take the blame. ಒಬ್ಬ ನಾಯಕ ಯಶಸ್ಸು ಬಂದಾಗ ತಾನು ಹಿಗ್ಗಬಾರದು, ಹಾಗೆ ಸೋಲು ಬಂದಾಗ ತನ್ನ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿಯಿಂದ ಹಿಂಜರಿಯಲು ಬಾರದು. ಈ ಒಂದು ಉತ್ತಮ ಚಿಂತನೆಯೊಂದಿಗೆ ನನಗೆ ವಹಿಸಿಕೊಟ್ಟ ಈ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿಯನ್ನು ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಪ್ರಾಮಾಣಿಕತೆಯಿಂದ ಹಾಗೂ ಶ್ರದ್ಧೆಯಿಂದ ಮುನ್ನಡೆಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗುತ್ತೇನೆ ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾ ನನ್ನೆರಡು ಮಾತನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Thank you, Rajeshwari. Your vision for a golden celebration as we celebrate 50 years of Innerville in Puttur will definitely bear fruit by the grace of the Almighty. You can rest assured that you will have a great year of service and friendship backed by a team of young, smart and efficient ladies all rearing to go. And now it's time for felicitating the outgoing President, Mrs. Ashwini Krishna, and outgoing Secretary, Srimati Sridevi Rai.
ತ್ರಿವೇಣಿ ಗಣೇಶ್ ಅವರನ್ನು ಗೌರವದಿಂದ ಗುರುತಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ರೊಟೇರಿಯನ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಪೀಟರ್ ವಿಲ್ಸನ್ ಪ್ರಭಾಕರ್ ಅವರನ್ನು ಗೌರವದಿಂದ ಗುರುತಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಪ್ರದೀಪ್ ರಾವ್ ಅವರನ್ನು ಗೌರವದಿಂದ ಗುರುತಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಈಶಾನ್ ಸ್ವರಾಜ್ ಅವರನ್ನು ಗೌರವದಿಂದ ಗುರುತಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ರೊಟೇರಿಯನ್ ಅಬೂಬಕರ್ ಅವರನ್ನು ಗೌರವದಿಂದ ಗುರುತಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ರೋಟರಿ ಸಿಟಿಯ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಗ್ರೇಸಿ ಗೊನ್ಸಾಲ್ವೆಸ್ ಅವರನ್ನು ಗೌರವದಿಂದ ಪ್ರೀತಿಪೂರ್ವಕವಾಗಿ ಗುರುತಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಸೂರಜ್ ನಾಯರ್ ಅವರನ್ನು ಗೌರವದಿಂದ ಗುರುತಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಶ್ರೀದೇವಿ ಮತ್ತು ಅಶ್ವಿನಿ ಜೋಡಿ ಗೆಳತಿಯರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ತಪ್ಪಾಗುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಈ ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಮನಮುಟ್ಟುವ ಸಂತಸ ಪಡುವ ನೊಂದವರಿಗೆ ಬೆಂಬಲವಾಗುವ ಹಲವಾರು ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಮೆಲುಕು ಹಾಕಿದರೆ, ವಸತಿಗಾಗಿ ಆರ್ಥಿಕ ಸಹಾಯ, ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇಡೀ ಆಶ್ರಮ ವೃದ್ಧರಿಗೆ ಜೀವನದ ಬೆಳಕನ್ನು ನೀಡಿದರೆ, ಕಣ್ಣಿಗೆ ಆಹ್ಲಾದ ಕೊಡುವ ಬೆಳಕಿನ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಿಂದ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ತುಂಬ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯಿಂದ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇಡೀ ಆಶ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಬೆಳಕನ್ನು ನೀಡಿದ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಇನ್ನರ್ ವೀಲ್ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ. ವಿದ್ಯಾಭ್ಯಾಸಕ್ಕೆ ಸಹಾಯ, ಡಯಾಬಿಟಿಸ್ ಡೇ ದಿನ ಜಾಗೃತಿ ಜಾಥಾ, ಬೀದಿ ನಾಯಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಸಂತಾನಹರಣ, ಅದು 120 ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇವಲ 2 ದಿನದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೈಗೊಂಡ ರೀತಿ ನಿಜಕ್ಕೂ ಶ್ಲಾಘನೀಯ. ನಮ್ಮ ಗೆಳೆತನ ಬೆಳೆಯಲು ಕೈಗೊಂಡ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಡೇ, ಪಿಕ್ನಿಕ್, ಹೀಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳು ಬಹಳ ಸೊದಾಸಿತ್ತು, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು ಎಂದರೆ ತಪ್ಪಲಾಗಿರೋದು. ಅಶ್ವಿನಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಶ್ರೀದೇವಿಯವರಿಗೆ ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲರ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಜೋರಾದ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆಯೊಂದಿಗೆ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ.
Thank you, ma'am, Shalin ma'am, for doing the honors. Once again, congratulations Ashwini and Sridevi for a wonderful year, Innerwheel year 2023-24. And now we have the release of the club bulletin, Women's Insight. I request our bulletin editor, Srimati Sridevi Rai, to take charge. I request our Rotary President, Shripati Rao, Dr. Shripati Rao, to please come over to the stage and do the honors. Dr. Shripati Rao will be inducted as the president next week, and that is the Women's Insight being released by Dr. Shripati Rao. That is Women's Insight, a magazine being released. I now request Dr. Shripati Rao to please address the audience.
ವೇದಿಕೆಯ ಮೇಲಿರುವ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗಣ್ಯರೇ, ವೇದಿಕೆಯ ಮುಂಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತಿರುವ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾನ್ಯರೇ, ಆಹ್ವಾನಿತರೇ, ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಗಳು. ಪ್ರಥಮವಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಉದ್ದೇಶಗಳಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಮೊದಲನೇದಾಗಿ 24-25 ನಮ್ಮ ಇನ್ನರ್ ವೀಲ್ ತಂಡದ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಧಿಕಾರ ವಹಿಸ್ತಿರುವ ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಜೇಶ್ವರಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಮತ್ತು ಅವರ ಟೀಮ್ನವರಿಗೆ ತುಂಬು ಹೃದಯದ ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಗಳನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ರೋಟ್ರಿ RC ಪುತ್ತೂರು ವತಿಯಿಂದ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಎರಡನೇದಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಡೈಮಂಡ್ ಜುಬಿಲಿ ಇಯರ್ನ ಒಂದು ಹೊಸ್ತಿಲಲ್ಲಿರುವ ನಮ್ಮ RC ಪುತ್ತೂರು, ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನು ಹೆವಿ ವೆಯ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಕರೆದುಕೊಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಇದು ಸತ್ಯವೋ ಸರಿಯೋ ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲರ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ಕಳೆದ 59 ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ 1965ರಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭವಾದ ನಮ್ಮ RC ಪುತ್ತೂರು ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಪರ್ಮನೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸನ್ನು ನಿರ್ವಹಿಸ್ತಾ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಈ ಒಂದು ಡೈಮಂಡ್ ಜುಬಿಲಿ ಹೊಸ್ತಿಲಲ್ಲಿರುವ ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ಕ್ಲಬ್ಬಿನ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲೇಷನ್ ಸೆರೆಮನಿ ಮುಂದಿನ 5 ತಾರೀಕು ಜುಲೈ 5ರಂದು ಸಂಜೆ 6:00 ಪ್ರಶಾಂತ ಮಹಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನೆರವೇರಲಿಕ್ಕಿರೋದು. ತಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸುವುದನ್ನು ಮುಂದೆ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ಒಂದು ಇನ್ವಿಟೇಷನ್ ಪ್ರತಿಯನ್ನು ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಿಗೆ ಹಸ್ತಾಂತರಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ತಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಬಂದು ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿದ್ದು ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಚೆಂದಗೊಳಿಸುವಾಗಿ ಕೇಳಿಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಮೂರನೇದಾಗಿ ನಾನೊಂದು ಉತ್ತಮ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟನ್ನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ತಂದಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನ ಸ್ವಾರ್ಥವೂ ಇದೆ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಮುಂದಿನ ನಮ್ಮ RC ಪುತ್ತೂರಿನ ಒಂದು ಈ ವರ್ಷದ 24-25 ಈ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಷದ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಪುತ್ತೂರು ರೋಟ್ರಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮೋಗ್ರಫಿ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಪೈಪ್ಲೈನ್ನಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ರೋಟ್ರಿ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಫೌಂಡೇಶನಿಂದ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ನನಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನು ತಿಳಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಭೆಗೆ ತಿಳಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಹಳ ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಗ್ತಾಯಿದೆ. ತಮಗೆಲ್ಲರೂ ತಿಳಿದ ಹಾಗೆ ಒಂದು ಈ ಬ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸರ್ ಏನಿದೆ, ಬ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸರ್ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಹಿಳೆಯರಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡನೆಯ ಒಂದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾದ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸರ್ ಆಗಿ ಇತ್ತೀಚಿನ ದಿನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಮೂಡಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಅಮೇರಿಕಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ಬ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸರ್ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸರ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊದಲನೆಯ ಪೊಸಿಷನನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಲವಾರು ಕಾರಣಗಳಿದೆ. ಈ ಒಂದು ಬ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸರ್ ಪ್ರಿವೆನ್ಷನ್ನ ನಿಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ವೈದ್ಯಕೀಯ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸರ್ಗಳು ಕೊನೆಯ ಹಂತದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ಕೈ ಚೆಲ್ಲುವ ಒಂದು ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಈ ಒಂದು ಬ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸರ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಈ ನಿಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ಒಂದು ಬ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸರ್ನ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಬೇಗ ಗುರುತು ಹಚ್ಚುವ ನಿಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಹ್ಯುಮ್ಯಾನಿಟೇರಿಯನ್ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆದ ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ಬ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸರ್ ಪ್ರಿವೆನ್ಷನ್ಗೆ ಲೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮೆಷಿನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಮೋಗ್ರಫಿ ಮೆಷಿನ್ ಇದೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಪುತ್ತೂರು ಚಾರಿಟೇಬಲ್ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟಿಂದ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನು ಪ್ರಯತ್ನದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಈ ನಿಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ, ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾಗುವಂಥದ್ದು ನಮ್ಮ ಮಹಿಳೆಯರ ಒಂದು ಉತ್ಸಾಹದ ಕೆಲಸ. ಈ ನಿಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ ರಾಜೇಶ್ವರಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಇಡೀ ವರ್ಷದ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟನ್ನು ಅವರ ಕೈಗೆ ಹಸ್ತಾಂತರಿಸಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಸೊ ಏನು ಇದು ಅಂದರೆ, ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಮಹಿಳೆಗೂ 40 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ 60 ವರ್ಷವರೆಗೆ 2 ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೊಮ್ಮೆ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿಲಿ ಈ ಬ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಹಾಗೂ ರೋಟ್ರಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಮೋಗ್ರಫಿಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು ಬಹಳ ಅವಶ್ಯಕ. ಇದು ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಹಂತದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ಬ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸರ್ನ ಒಂದು ಗುರುತು ಹಚ್ಚುವ ನಿಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತು ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಬೇಗ ಉತ್ತಮ ಚಿಕಿತ್ಸೆ ನಿಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರತಿ 1 ತಿಂಗಳಿಗೊಮ್ಮೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ಬ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನನ್ನು ಮತ್ತು ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ರೋಟ್ರಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ವತಿಯಿಂದ, ನಮ್ಮ ಮ್ಯಾಮೋಗ್ರಫಿ ಸೆಂಟರ್ನ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಚಾರಿಟೇಬಲ್ ದರದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಮೋಗ್ರಫಿ ಟೆಸ್ಟನ್ನು ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಸೊ ಪ್ರತಿ ತಿಂಗಳೊಮ್ಮೆ ನಡೆಯುವ ಒಂದು ಈ ಶಿಬಿರದಲ್ಲಿ ತಾವು ಇದನ್ನು ಕೈ ಜೋಡಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ತಿಂಗಳಿಗೊಮ್ಮೆ ಅಂದರೆ 12 ಶಿಬಿರಗಳನ್ನು ತಾವು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆಸಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ಡಿಟೆಕ್ಷನ್ನಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಮೋಗ್ರಫಿ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಹೊಸ ಯಶಸ್ಸನ್ನು ತಂದುಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ, ಈ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಿಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದ ಒಂದು ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಏನಿದೆ, ಅದು ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಬೇಕಾಗುವಂಥದ್ದು ಒಂದು ಬ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸರ್ ಸರ್ಜನ್, ಅದು ನಮ್ಮ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಹಾಗೂ ಗೈನಕಾಲಜಿಸ್ಟ್, ಸೀರೆ ಗೈನಕಾಲಜಿಸ್ಟ್ ಬೇಕು. ಅವರು ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ಟೀಮನ್ನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಒದಗಿಸಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗುವಂಥದ್ದು ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಚಾರ ನಮ್ಮ ಇನ್ನರ್ ವೀಲ್ ಕ್ಲಬ್ಬಿಂದ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಇನ್ನರ್ ಕ್ಲಬ್ಬಿಂದ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಇದು ಅಲ್ಲದೆ ಇಡೀ ರೋಟ್ರಿ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನರ್ ವೀಲ್ ಕ್ಲಬ್ಸಿಗೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ವಿಷಯವನ್ನು ತಿಳಿಸಿ ಈ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಯಶಸ್ವಿಗೊಳಿಸಿ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ, ನನಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅವಕಾಶ ಬಂದದಕ್ಕೆ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ವಂದಿಸ್ತಾ ನನ್ನ ಮಾತುಗಳು ಮುಗಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಜೈ ರೋಟ್ರಿ.
Thank you, Dr. Sripati Rao. Ladies and gentlemen, we have here with us Rotarian Xavier D'Souza, Rotarian Gracie Gonzalez, Rotarian Sudarshan Sundar Rai, Rotarian Oscar Anand, and Rotarian Trivedi. A warm welcome to all of you.
ಇದೀಗ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಫ್ಲಾಗ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬಿಡುಗಡೆ ಮಾಡುವ ಸಮಯ. ವೇದಿಕೆ ಲವ್ಲಿ ಸೂರಜ್ ಇವರಿಗೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಅತಿಥಿಗಳಾಗಿ ಆಗಮಿಸಿರುವ ಶಾಲಿನಿ ನಾಯಕ್ ಅವರು ಇದನ್ನು ಬಿಡುಗಡೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿ ವಿನಂತಿ.
Thank you, Shalini ma'am, for doing the honors. Ladies and gentlemen, in keeping with our motto, Service to Society, today our club will be handing over a sanitary pad incinerator to the Shivram Karanth High School. This will help around 200 students in hygienic disposal of sanitary pads. I request the school authority, please come over to the stage and accept the incinerator from our chief guest and installing officer, PDC Srimati Shalini Nayak.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಸರಸ್ವತಿ ಇರುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ಸರಸ್ವತಿ ಒಲಿಯಬೇಕಾದರೆ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀನೂ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಇದೀಗ ಸೋಹನ್ 10ನೇ ತರಗತಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಸೃಜನ್ 7ನೇ ತರಗತಿ ವಿಜಯ ಇವರ ಪುತ್ರರು. ಇವರಿಬ್ಬರು ವಿವೇಕಾನಂದ ಕನ್ನಡ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮ ತೆಂಕಿಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇವರಿಗೆ ವಿದ್ಯಾದಾನಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಅನುದಾನವನ್ನು ನೀಡಬೇಕಾಗಿ ಕೇಳಿಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಕರದ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸದ ಸಂಕೇತವಾದ ಪಾರ್ವತಿ ದೇವಿಯ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದವು ಸಿಕ್ಕಿ ನೀವು ಇಂತಹ ವೇತನ ನೀಡುವಷ್ಟು ಬೆಳೆಯುವಂತಾಗಲಿ, ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಆಶಯ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಸೋಹನ್ ಮತ್ತು ವಿಜಯ್ ಅವರು ಬಂದು ಇದನ್ನು ಸ್ವೀಕರಿಸಬೇಕಾಗಿ ವಿನಂತಿ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ಶಾಲಿನಿ ನಾಯ್ಕ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ರಾಜೀವ್ ಬಲ್ರಾಮ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಶಂಕರಿ ಅವರಿಗೂ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Now we have Rotarian Sudhir, Achar here with us. I request him to please come over to the stage and accept a rose from his better half, Srimati Rajeshwari Achar. Best half, yeah.
ಒಬ್ಬ ಪುರುಷನ ಹಿಂದೆ ಮಹಿಳೆ ಇರ್ತಾಳೆ ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಮಹಿಳೆಯ ಯಶಸ್ಸಿಗೂ ಪುರುಷರು ಕಾರಣರಾಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಸುಧೀರ್ ಅವರಿಗೂ ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಗಳು, ರಾಜೇಶ್ವರಿ ಅವರಿಗೂ ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಗಳು.
It's now time to wish all our members to celebrate their birthdays and wedding anniversaries during the month of July. As I call out their names, I request our members to please come over to the stage and accept a token of love from our installing officer, Srimati PDC Shalini Nayak. Birthdays for the month of July: Somya Anil, 5th July. Asha Ishwar Bhatt, 7th July. Rupalekha, 11th July. Krishnaveni Prasad, 16th July. Veena Kolataya, 16th July. Pramila Rao celebrates her wedding anniversary on the 11th of July and birthday on the 18th of July. Trivedi Rai, 25th July. Happy birthday to all of you for the month of July in advance.
ಜೋರಾದ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಇದೀಗ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಬಿಂದು ಮಿನುಗುವ ನಕ್ಷತ್ರದ ಪ್ರಕಾಶತೆ ಹೊಂದಿರುವ ಶಾಲಿನಿ ನಾಯಕ್ ಅವರ ಪರಿಚಯವನ್ನ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಡೈನಾಮಿಕ್ ಲೇಡಿ ನೇರ ನುಡಿಯ ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಮಂಜುಳಾ ಭಾಸ್ಕರ್ ಇವರಿಂದ.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. Dignitaries on the dais, Rotarians and members of Innervale Club of various places, Sulya, Montpidre and all, and invitees and guests. Today I am assigned with a very tough task because introducing a very well-known personality is very difficult. She is known to all of us and even to Rotarians. Why? Because Dr. Harish Nayak, Rotarian Dr. Harish Nayak and Mrs. Shalini, both of them are called dancing couple of Rotary Modumbidri. Anyways, just being formal, I will go ahead. Mrs. Shalini Nayak hails from God's own country, Kerala, Kannur. Completed her early education and pre-university in Kannur, graduated from Mangalore University. Mrs. Shalini Nayak was the charter president of Mudbidre Innervale Club when it was formed in 1992. Since then, she has not turned back. Took up all the posts in the club level several times. She entered the district level as district editor in 2002, served almost all posts at the district level. She was the chairman in the year 2008 and 9. Shalini was instrumental in inauguration of district website and in organizing the zonal club officers orientation program in Shivamogga, Udupi and Mysore. Shalini Naik holds the post of District CCC Chairman present here. Under her guidance, Mudupidre Innerville Club hosted 3 district assemblies, 2 district rallies and 1 district conference. Being a classical dancer, loves all forms of dance. Things that are fascinating her are too many, like music, driving, traveling to new exotic destinations, listening to good orators, and many more. She loves doing anything which makes her life interesting. Married to Dr. Harish Nayak, an active Rotarian, has always supported her as a friend, motivator, and also a best dancing partner. Couple blessed with 2 sons, both of them are software engineers, married and settled, have 2 grandchildren. Here I present PDC Mrs. Shalini Nayak to all of you. We present Shalini Nayak.
I think before I even start giving my chief guest's address, I should thank all the members of Puttur. From the minute I have come, you have given me so much of love, and on top of that, you have, it's like the icing on the cake. You have been praising me and praising me. Everybody seems to be praising me, from the MC to the outgoing president to the incoming president and finally Manjula. So I would like to say I'm really blessed to stand here. I don't know whether I deserve all the accolades that you have given me, but I'm a happy person this morning. So coming to me being your guest of the day, this is a women's organization. This is the world's largest women's organization in the world. So how do I start? I can start with only talking about women, right? So I would like to give you my definition of what I think a woman should be. A woman is, not should be, what a woman is. I think I have left out the most important part. Respected President Rajeshwari, all the important distinguished people, ladies on the dais, all the ladies out here, Rotarians, and my dear friends. And my special hello to Chennai Ma'am. I'm really blessed that you are here, Chennai Ma'am. Okay, so talking about women, we are the cutest daughters. I think till the day we die, our parents love us and find us the cute, till the day they leave the world, the parents leave the world, they think they have the cutest daughters, right? We are the sweetest sisters. No matter how much love our brother gives us or doesn't give us, still we are always giving love, giving affection, caring for our brothers, always. We are the lovely lovers. When I say this, I mean our husbands. We are always wanting the best for them, always giving the moral support that they need. We are the adorable mothers. As a mother, I know that for every mother, her child is the best child in the world, whether it is a boy or a girl. For us, they are the best. Our world are our children. In spite of, whatever the role we take up in this life, we are always givers. We give affection, we give compassion, we give moral support to each and every person around us. This is what a woman is. So we are like that Akshaya Patra. We are the powerhouses of strength, distributing this strength to each and every one. Well, we are women, we are incredible. 100 out of 100, there is a big strength within us. And this strength, if we go out in the world, can transform into making us complete women, confident women, to find a lot of friends, improve our passion. If we have a passion for dance, music, something, we can make a world out of this passion, and we can transform ourselves into confident leaders. So, is there really a need? I am asking you this question. Is there really a need for us to be just women, just mothers, just wives, just daughters? I do not think so. I think that we are blessed to be women, and it's a big no to being just wives, daughters, mothers, and sisters. It is a big yes to being a member of an international organization like our organization, the International Innerweal. Why I say this is that here in Innerweal, we women grow in confidence. We women can become great leaders. We can have hordes of friends who accept us the way we are. Whatever we are, our friends accept us. Maybe family may say, you have to change here, you have to change there. Maybe the husband would say, you have to be a more, adjustable wife. But here in Innerweal, we are accepted the way we are. And the biggest benefit of all is when we are alone, we cannot serve much. We can do small acts of service, definitely. But when we come together as a club, as members of a club, we can do much, much more to serve the society. And therefore, I think that Innerweal is a stress buster, not only for working women, but for homemakers too. So standing before you right now is one such example, outstanding example of what a woman can be. And for that example, I give myself as the example. Because see, I was born and when my mom was 41 years old. I was an accidental case. When I was born as the fifth child of my parents. My mom was 41 and there was an age gap of difference between my elder sister and me. And so very much accidental. So my mom was a bit shy about taking me everywhere. I grew up behind the shadow of my elder sister. My elder sister was extremely fair, intelligent, beautiful. And there I came behind her, brown complexion. You know, at this time we do not think of that brown complexion. But in those days, complexion did make a difference. So I was that shy, I walked as her shadow, I never interacted with many people, and thus I grew to a teenager behind her shadow. At 17 plus, I got engaged. At 18 plus, I was married. By the time I was 20, I was already a mother. So I never got that opportunity to grow and become a confident individual. Then in 1992, Innerweal came into my life. And when Innerweal came into my life, let me tell you, I was made the charter president simply because my husband was instrumental in starting of the Innerweal club in Mudbidri. So when I became the president, I had never faced the mic. I had never stood in front of many people to speak. I could dance, I could sing, but I had never spoken. And there I was addressing as the charter president of the club. And look at me today. I myself feel proud of what I am. I am standing here before you, an elite. I have become the district chairman. I have taken various posts in the district. I have entered the district. I became the district chairman. And today I am standing in front of you speaking so much. So I think Innerweal is the one which has made this huge difference in my life, along with my husband who kept on motivating me and inspiring me. So, I hope I do not take too much of your time. Before I go forward, I would like to congratulate Ashwini Mulya, the outgoing president, and Secretary Sri Devi and the entire team and all of you for the wonderful year you have gone through. After listening to Sri Devi's report, I know that it has been a very productive year for all of you, and you have enjoyed the year 2023. Congratulations once again, Ashwini, Sri Devi, the team, and all of you. Well, I stand here, when I stand here, I am delighted for a variety of reasons. The first reason I already said, I am blessed to have Rotarian K.R. Shenoy sitting right in front of me. The other reasons are that, the first reason is that today I stood here on this podium in 2008 addressing you all as the district chairman. Today I stand again in front of all of you and I see so many friendly faces, so many people I know. I've hugged so many people ever since I came in, and that is why I do not remember some of the names, but the names I remember I would really like to acknowledge at this moment. I recognize the presence of Pramila Rao because she is the one who called me and said, please come as the guest. And I said, do you think I can speak well enough to be your guest? Am I the right person? And she said, tu kasas go 5 minute ullo check. I think you all understand Konkani. She said, what is the big deal about speaking for a short while? And that is the confidence she gave me. I would like to acknowledge the presence of Vidya Gauri. She is a very, very close friend of mine. We have worked together as a district secretary. I was the district secretary and she was the district treasurer during the term of Mrs. Bharati Chandrasekhar. I would like to recognize the presence of Shobha Kolataya, the president during my term as chairman. She was a wonderful president. She has done a lot. Thank you so much once again. I would like to recognize close friends, Manjula Bhaskar. Thank you for calling us the dancing couple. We have stopped dancing right now, but I think today I get inspired to try once again to do some dance with my husband sometime. I would like to recognize the presence of Vijay Lakshmi Shenoy, Radhika Shenoy. Vijay Lakshmi always has a smile for me. Wherever we meet, a smile and a word of affection. And that remains forever. That closeness remains forever. So Radhika Shenoy, Veena Kolataya, and Sushma Jain, who was the treasurer in 2008 and 9. And the most important of all, I want to acknowledge the presence of Mrs. Pushpa KP, the charter member of this club. I salute you, ma'am. 50 years of service to the Inner Wheel. Congratulations, and please give your best in the future too. Well, the second reason, as I said, is the fabulous history that you people, the Inner Wheel Club of Puttur, have. 50 years of Inner Wheel. That is a big achievement, and you are standing on the threshold of your 50th year, and you have invited a person like me to install the golden team, the golden president. I heard that her husband is a jeweler, so I was teasing some of the members. Maybe at the end of a year, you'll all get 2 grams of gold for all the service. 2 grams of gold each for the service. You are for helping her out during the year. So girls, go ahead and help her and help her. You may receive 2 grams of gold, which is very valuable these days. And so, why I say this is, I am extremely delighted that I am the chosen one to stand here and install this beautiful team. 50th year, golden president, golden secretary, and all the office bearers. Because I think this is God's way of blessing me. Because see, I have given 31 plus years of my life to Inner Wheel. And probably God thought, okay, she deserves to be get some credit somewhere. So he made Rajeshwari invite me here as your installing officer. And I would like to thank every member of Inner Wheel Puttur for having bestowed this honor on me. It's really an honor for me that I am here with you today as your installing officer. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. There is a third big reason for me to be so delighted. Friends, I've been asked year after year to come as installing officer of various clubs in my area, but I always refuse. I'm a little lazy. I think, oh, I got to prepare the speech. It's okay, fine, let me relax. But there is a reason that I agreed immediately as soon as Rajeshwari and Pramila told me. I agreed to come here for the reason that in 2002, during the presidency of Manjula Bhaskar, your club hosted the district assembly wherein Malini Hebbar was installed as the district chairman. And I took the first step I stepped out of my club and took the first step into the district as the district editor. It is on this soil of Puttur that I entered the district as the district editor. And so I felt that this was one opportunity for me to thank you for giving me that platform in Puttur to enter the district. You are my lucky charm. Because of you, when I entered the district, I never thought that I would go forward. I was pressurized by Malini. She said, you can do it. Come, join the district. There was nobody to take the editor's post. And I took the post on the floor of the house. So I entered. I never thought I will go forward in the district. I came to Puttur. I was installed as a district editor, and then my seniors started seeing the capacity in me and motivated me further to become the district chairman in 2008. So once again, thank you to each and every one of you. Now, this is a club which has celebrated 50 years, and it's had its share of ups and downs. I've heard many stories, sometimes from Vidya Gauri, sometimes from the district. I've heard that at some time, there was a time when you had no presidents, and the past presidents would chair the meeting every month. There was one year like that. There was rumor in the district that Puttur Club may close down. But from there, you have reached here. From the defeat, you have converted it to a tremendous success story. Today, 50 years, 61 members, and going strong. What more can we ask from Puttur Club? So, congratulations once again. May you sparkle and shine throughout this Golden Jubilee year and always. That is my wish for you. May you touch success to the highest extent. Well, I see quite a few Rotarians sitting here. I don't know. I hope you are also, you are listening to me. I'm seeing your support, and the comfort level with which you are all sitting here makes me think that definitely you have supported these Innerville members in the past years. And my request to you would be to support them this Golden Jubilee year and in the future too. Always stand by them as the pillars of support. Here I would like to recognize the presence of my husband's dear friend, Oscar Fernandez. Thank you for being here. Many of you Rotarians are familiar faces, but I do not remember the names. Thank you for being here today. Well, as I said, your club has a proud history of 50 years. You are all seasoned members in a seasoned club. You do not need any advice from me. I have a mere 31 years of experience against, see, Pushpaka, who has experience of 50 years. So I do not want to give you any sort of advice. I would just like to share some of my thoughts with you. And I stick to the basic motto. We have all been given the theme, heartbeat of humanity. We have been given the goals under Celebrate Life. We have an international president, an Indian, Mamata Gupta. We had our association president, Sunita ji, who was so dynamic and spoke so well regarding the goals of Innerville. I do not want to talk about the goals. Can I take 5 minutes more? Yes. I do not want to talk, I just want to share some of my thoughts with you. To me, so I will speak only on friendship, the very motto, friendship and service. That's it. So a popular saying goes, make new friends and keep the old. One is silver, the other is gold. What I would like to say here is that building bonds of friendship within the club is the most important thing in Innerville, because it is here that we come, here that we laugh, here that we enjoy Innerville. So here I would like to cite example of my bond with my dearest friend Prakashni. She is here with me today. I call her my bestie. From so many years, we share so much. I can say we share everything. We go out together. We love listening to orators. We love shopping like all ladies do. We love going to the movies. We love listening to, those poets, whatnot, watching drama, whatnot. We have a common interest. That is why we are very, very close. But the minute we enter our club, that is the meeting room, till then we are like this sticking together. But the minute we enter there, we never sit together. We bond with every member of the club. We go to each and every member and talk to them. That is something that we have developed with the years. Maybe after coming out of the meeting at the car, near the car we may chat for 5 or 10 minutes. But when we are in the meeting, we mix with each and everyone. And that is why I feel proud to say that every member of the club is my friend. We do not stick to groups. So what I am saying is, do not stick to your groups. We all have our friends, definitely. But when you come here, it's time to bond with everybody else. Break down that senior-junior barrier. I don't know whether it exists here. It exists in many clubs where we have a long history of 50 years. So I would say there are only two categories of members. Either we are active or we are new. The minute you join the Innerville, you are new. But the minute you start getting involved, you are active. There is no, saying you are a senior member, I am a junior member, you are this, I am that. No. We are active or new. The minute you get involved, maybe within a month you get involved, then you are active. You are no longer a new member. Some members take 2 or 3 years to become active. They still remain new for 2 or 3 years. And here I want to cite, is it okay? Am I taking too much time? Is okay now? Is it okay? Yeah. So here I want to cite the example of Mangalore, the Innerville members of Mangalore North. See, we have been going there for the past 31 years. Ever since our club has been inaugurated, we go every year to Mangalore for their functions. When you sit down and watch their entertainment, I have seen, and all of us have seen, that at one time 39 years ago, there were people like Saraswati Akka and Usha Talitaya taking the lead, with young members like Malini Hebar, like Jayashri Basri. You may be knowing all these members. Chitra Rao. They were the younger members. Today, we go there, we still see Malini Hebar, we see Jayashri Basri. Their hair has turned grey, but they are still active in entertainment, and together with them, the new members have joined. And what they do is they do not keep a choreographer. They choreograph their dances themselves. The reason being that the steps are something which a 25-year also can do, or a 65 or 70-year also can do. That is the outstanding example. That is what I admire in Mangalore North. So this is just I'm sharing some of the things with you. Every member needs appreciation. She is the club president. She needs to appreciate the work done by each and every member. Right? You expect that from her. But it's also the duty of every member to appreciate each other. I do a good speech, you come to me and tell me. Maybe I'm experienced, maybe 10 years I have spoken and you have heard me. I'm doing it the 101st time. But still, if your member does a good work, appreciate that work done by the other member. To the members I say, pay the dues on time, very important. Don't hesitate to take responsibilities because ಇವತ್ತಿಲ್ಲಾದರೆ ನಾಳೆ ನೀವು ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಲೇಬೇಕು ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆದವರು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಏನಂದರೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ ಹೆದರಿಕೆ, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕಷ್ಟ, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ ಪೇಪರ್ ಬೇಕು. ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟಿಗೆ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎದುರು ಕೂತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಔಟ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಸರಿತಾ. ವೆನ್ ಶಿ ಬಿಕೇಮ್ ದ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಶಿ ವಾಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಶೈ. ಈಗ ಅವಳಿಗೆ ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿ ಒಂದು ಹೋಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ 1 ಮಿನಿಟಲ್ಲಿ ಅವಳ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಂದು ಅಷ್ಟು ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಸ್ಪೀಚನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ಅಪ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಯಂಗ್ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಹೆಸಿಟೇಟ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಅಪ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್. ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ events. ಯಾವಾಗ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಲಬ್ಬಲ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಆರ್ ದ ಬಿಗ್ ಫಿಶ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಪಾಂಡ್, ವಿ ಥಿಂಕ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗ್ರೇಟ್. But when we go to the district events, when we go to the triennial conferences, we realize we are nothing. There are many ladies ahead of us. You can see even triennial is in a national conference. You will see old, very old women. Old means in their 70s carrying a walker and still coming to the conference. That is the inspiration that we should all take from them. ವೆಲ್, ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಇನ್ನರ್ವಿಲ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ರೋಟ್ರಿ ಇನ್ನರ್ವಿಲ್ ಅಂತೂ ಒಂದು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಅದು ಯಾಕೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಪೀಪಲ್ ರೆಕಗ್ನೈಸ್ ರೋಟ್ರಿ ಎವ್ರಿವೇರ್, ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ನರ್ವಿಲಿಗೆ ರೆಕಗ್ನಿಷನ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಮ್ಮಿ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಆಲ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆನ್ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ನರ್ವಿಲ್. ಮತ್ತು ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಸರ್ವಿಸ್, ಐ ವುಡ್ ಸೇ God has blessed us with everything. We have the platform Innerville, we have the identity Innerville members, and we have resources to get together and serve. Let's serve the needy in the community and let's bring smiles and wipe the tears, as we say in Innerville. ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ಫುಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸನ್ನೇ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸಮ್ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್, ನಮಗೆ ಗೋಲ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ, ವಿ ಸ್ಪೆಂಡ್ ದ ಮನಿ, ಬಟ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೂ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಕೆಲವೊಮ್ಮೆ ಹಾಗೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಸಿ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಯು ಡೂ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ಫುಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬ್ರಿಂಗ್ ದ ಸ್ಮೈಲ್ಸ್, ಎಸ್ ಐ ಸೆಡ್, ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್, execute all the meaningful projects. I want to, if I can take, I'm sorry, I would like to take just 2 instances. ಏನಂದರೆ ನಾನು ಚೇರ್ಮನ್ ಇರುವಾಗ the whole Innerville Club of Udupi, 31 members of Udupi came forward to donate their eyes. That is what Innerville is about. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು 4 ಬುಕ್ ಕೊಡೋದು, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು 4 ಗಿಡ ಕೊಡೋದು ಬದಲಿಗೆ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಡೂ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರಿಯಲಿ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ಫುಲ್. ಮತ್ತು ಶಿವಮೊಗ್ಗಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಹೋಗುವಾಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ದ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ವೇರ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ CET ಕೋಚಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸೋ ಮೆನಿ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ವಂಡರ್ಫುಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್. ಐ ವುಡ್ ಸೇ ಡೋಂಟ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್, ವರ್ಕ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯೋರ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. I would like to conclude, to the wonderful golden president, I would like to say, I would like to echo the words of Lord Edward Lytton, to find what you seek in life. The best proverb is that says, leave no stone unturned. Do your best, take aim high, dream high, aim high, and to grab every opportunity that comes your way. So I wish President Rajeshwari, Secretary Vachana, the golden team of 24-25, that you have total commitment to your post and you become very, very successful. May you bring joy to all your members and let the members take pride in you. Give good work and all of you work together to have a very successful Golden Jubilee year. To all the girls of Innerville, Puttur, I wish to say, girls, you are amazing as you are. You are more beautiful inside than you can imagine. You are worthier than you believe. You can make a difference in this world by extending your arms to serve. Please take time to bloom in friendship and service. Enjoy Inner Wheel, enjoy friendship, enjoy service. I would like to thank everyone for giving me this lovely opportunity, and I would like to conclude with a small humorous incident which happened in my life. 2 days before, I was talking to Sarita, my outgoing president. I came to know that Sarita and Rajeshwari are very good friends. So Rajeshwari ಕೇಳಿದಂತೆ ಶಾಲಿನಿ ನಾಯ್ಕ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರಾ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದಂತೆ. ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ, ಇವರು ಹೇಳಿದಂತೆ ಅವರು ಭಾರಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯವರು, ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾರಂತೆ. ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ವೆದರ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡನ್ ಅ ಗುಡ್ ಜಾಬ್. ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡನ್ ಜಸ್ಟಿಸ್ ಟು ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಅಪ್ ಟು ಯುವರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೇಷನ್ಸ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್.
ಶಾಲಿನಿ ನಾಯ್ಕ್ ಅವರೇ, ಭಾಳ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಸಮಾಜ, ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ, ಸಂಸಾರ ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ ಪ್ರಾಮುಖ್ಯತೆ ನೀಡುವುದು ಮಹಿಳೆಯ ಒಂದು ಗುಣ. ಕ್ಷಮೆಯ ದರಿದ್ರಿ ಅನ್ನೋ ಮಾತಿದೆ, ಆದರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಉಪಮೆ ಅಕ್ಷಯ ಪಾತ್ರೆಗೆ ಸಮ ಸ್ತ್ರೀ, ಎಂಥ ಒಂದು ಚಿಂತನೆ ಮನದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು ನಿಮಗೆ. ನಿಜಕ್ಕೂ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ಕೊಡುವವರು, ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಹೌದು. ಕ್ಷಮೆಯ ದರಿದ್ರಿಯ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಅಕ್ಷಯ ಪಾತ್ರೆ, ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಉತ್ತಮ ಕೆಲಸಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಎನ್ನುವುದಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದು ಮಹಿಳೆಯ ಒಂದು ದೃಢ ನಿರ್ಧಾರ ಅಂತ ಸದೃಢವಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ಮನದಿಂದ.
Ladies and gentlemen, we would like to recognize the presence of Rotarian Mahesh Chandra Salyan, Rotarian Jeevan, Rotarian Abish, Rotarian Ravi Prakash of President-elect of Puttur East, then Rotarian Akshata, Rotarian Abubakar, Rotarian Prashant Shenoy, Rotarian Likita Kusum, Rotarian Vasant Shankar.
That's my gadget. Let's go have some fun then.
Introducing the hot and techy Brezza SCNG. Cool new SCNG tech for a cool new generation.
ಸುದ್ದಿ ಚಾನಲ್, ಕ್ಷಣ ಕ್ಷಣದ ಸುದ್ದಿಗಾಗಿ.